How to change your Fortnite name in Nintendo Switch. Hey everybody, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you guys a quick and easy way to change your username in Fortnite while using it from Nintendo Switch. So you first want to head over to your Epic Games account. So open up any web browser and then simply search for Epic Games. And then click on the first link that you see, store.epicgames.com. Once you open up the store, you just need to sign in using your Nintendo Switch account. If you guys don't know how to do that, let me just show you. First, let me just sign out, and then you will land on the homepage of the screen and the login page. So once you get to the login page, you just have to wait for a bit, and then click on the sign in option at the top right. Now from here, on the sign in portal, you are going to use your Nintendo account. So click on it, connect your Nintendo account, and then simply log into it. So just sign in using your Nintendo account. So let me just do that quickly. And once you are logged into your account, you just click on your profile name at the top right and then head over to account. Wait for a bit. And then you will see your account information right here, your display name as well as your email address. So what I'm going to do is edit the display name. Click on this little pencil icon right besides the display name. So your current display name will be shown right here. So what happens is it must be at least 3 characters long and never used before information that identifies you, such as your real name, address, or social media handle. So be very careful about how you select your name. And then once you have entered your name, so let me just enter a new username like this. And then you just check this box where it says, understand that I cannot change the display name again for 2 weeks after this change. Now click on continue and you should be good to go. That's it for this video, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.